Welcome to Unit 5, Lesson 14, Solving Exponential Equations Practice Problems. Okay, let's look at number 1 here. All right, the first things we got to do is divide both sides by 4. And then 10 to the x equals 100,000. But since this is base 10, we know all we got to do is count the zeros, and x equals 5. All right, we've been doing this too long to know. Okay, so no zeros here, so n plus 1 equals 0. Why? Log of 1 equals n plus 1. Log of 1 is 0. N plus 1. Solve for n plus 1. Subtract 1 on both sides. N equals -1. Okay, 3n equals 1,000,000. So there are 6 zeros. 3n equals 6. Divide by 3. N equals 2. All right, now, this one is going to require some math. Log 725 equals p. I'm going to leave it like that because it says solve without using the calculator. And then divide by 6. 10t equals 36. Yeah, 36 divided by 6 is 6. Oh, I'm sorry, not 36. What was I writing here? I'm thinking I'm dividing by 10. I'm dividing by 6. We get 60. Log 60 equals t. Okay, solve this one. The first thing we got to do, because the 1/4 is multiplying, is multiply by a fourth. 25 is actually 1/4. So when you multiply by 4, you get 1. 10 to the d plus 2 equals 1. Log 1 equals d plus 2. The log of 1 is 0. Subtract 2, subtract 2. D equals -2. Okay, write two equations, one in logarithmic form and one in exponential form. The natural log of 10 is y. The natural ln 10 equals y. So is another one of those math words. Literally means equals. So natural log is log base e to the y equals 10. I'll explain why ln 1 equals 0. Because e to the 0 equals 1. Remember, this is the answer. This is the exponent. Logs, whether it's natural log or regular log, count exponents. Okay, if log base 10 x equals 6, what is the value of x? It's 10 to the 6, which means we take a 1 and put 6 zeros behind it, which is 1,000,000. All right, so for each logarithmic equation, write it in exponential form. So let's color code these. Oh, look at that. It's perfect for the amount of colors that I have. So starting with blue. And that would help if I would put it back in the pen form. 2 to the 4th equals 16. 3 squared equals 9. 5 to the 1 equals 5. 10 to the y equals 20. 2 to the y equals 30. Okay, here's our equation. What is the continuous growth rate? 0.07 times 100 equals 7% of continuous growth. By what factor does f grow when the input increases by, 1? Okay, so that leaves us with e to the 0.07 times 1, which is 0.7, and this gives us 1.0725, rounding to 4 decimal places.